The comprehensive currency pairs correlation indicator, which is readily available for various trading platforms on the highly informative TradingFinder website. Traders can conveniently download the specific indicator file for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms directly from this dedicated section, and in order to thoroughly learn how this powerful indicator truly works and effectively operates, they can carefully read through this detailed page. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, a table appears on the right side of the chart. The currency pairs correlation indicator is a truly special and incredibly practical tool that astute traders can effectively utilize to effortlessly display the positive or negative correlation, which is essentially the statistical relationship between various forex pairs or other financial symbols. Here, with this powerful and insightful tool, we can meticulously examine the precise correlation values between different currencies and a wide array of symbols, always in relation to the main currency, the designated reference currency on which we have thoughtfully applied this comprehensive indicator. Currently, for demonstration purposes, we have carefully applied this highly informative indicator to the widely traded USD pair, and in the clearly organized table section, we can readily observe a diverse range of various symbols and their respective correlations. Specifically, in both the 1 hour and the daily time frames, the crucial positive or negative correlation values between the primary USD pair and these other selected pairs are prominently displayed here for easy analysis and interpretation. Moving on to the settings section, specifically under the Inputs tab, there are several important options where, in the first, second, and third dedicated input fields, we have the flexibility to meticulously enter the precise names of specific forex symbols that we wish to monitor, or alternatively, we can completely clear these pre-filled lists and strategically add only the particular symbols that we are most interested in analyzing in depth. As you can clearly observe here on the screen, there are indeed many symbols already listed by default, and I have the convenient option to easily remove these pre-existing values from this specific section and then carefully enter only the exact symbol or symbols that I personally want to thoroughly analyze. For instance, if I wanted to track a different pair, I would simply enter GBP/USD into this designated section, then thoughtfully add a comma, and subsequently enter my next desired symbol for analysis. Just be absolutely sure to carefully note that in some brokers' platforms, symbols may have specific suffixes or might be written slightly differently from the standard notation, so it is absolutely essential that you accurately enter the symbol correctly and precisely in this dedicated section to ensure proper functionality and accurate data retrieval. Here, the currency pairs GBP/USD, NZUSD, and USD/JPY have been carefully entered into the system, and after a thorough confirmation process, only the specific symbols I desire will be prominently displayed here. Currently, it is observed that the two currency symbols GBP/USD and NZD/USD exhibit a clear and consistent positive correlation, while the USD/JPY symbol demonstrates a distinct negative correlation when analyzed across both the 1 hour and daily time frames. This significant negative correlation is clearly indicated and visually represented with a prominent minus sign, and conversely, the positive correlation is explicitly shown as a positive value right here for our easy understanding and immediate reference. In this next section, we can enter the total period for calculating the correlation between the symbols. The higher this value, the longer the calculation period will be, and the calculation will be performed with more delay. In the next parameter, we can also set the time interval between updates of the values in the table. By default, this number is set to 30 minutes, which means the values here will change and be recalculated every 30 minutes. In the last parameter, we can specify the range within which the correlation is detected. This parameter is the sensitivity coefficient of the indicator, and the higher we set this value, the more correlations the indicator will detect between the symbols. The way the indicator works is that whenever the correlation exceeds the value we've set in the settings, the indicator displays the values in the table in red. It doesn't matter whether the correlation is positive or negative, as you can see here. Values that are greater than 70 are clearly shown here in a distinct red color, and any values that are less than 70 are prominently marked in a vibrant green. For example, the currency pair USD/JPY exhibits a negative correlation, but since its specific value is indeed less than -70, it is consequently displayed in green here. Alternatively, the two significant symbols GBPUSD and NZD/USD possess a positive correlation, but because their actual correlation values are notably higher than the initially set number, they are therefore marked in a striking red here. Whenever the table values are visually displayed in red, the indicator is unequivocally showing us that the primary reference symbol for which we have carefully run this particular indicator, which is currently EUR/USD, has a very high and significant correlation with the symbols that are specifically marked in red. It is generally better not to actively trade these two particular symbols simultaneously at the same time. Additionally, when we carefully increase the last crucial parameter in the indicator, which is specifically known as the correlation limit, the indicator itself becomes noticeably less sensitive, and a greater number of green figures will then be clearly displayed on the chart. We can easily increase or decrease this particular value. For example, if I were to enter the specific value of 90 here, you'll clearly see that all of the relevant values are now marked in a vibrant green color for us to observe. Just make absolutely sure to note that if you're running this particular indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform, the selected symbols must be completely open on the chart and carefully set to both the 1 hour and the daily time frames so that all the calculations are done correctly and precisely. Well, my dear friends, we've now reached the very end of this comprehensive indicator tutorial. We would be truly happy if you could kindly share your valuable comments and thoughtful suggestions with us in the comments section below.